Hello people, welcome to Bikings again, and I hope you guys remember the Mahindra Mojo 2018 treat for you guys. There is another lineup which has been added to the Mojo lineup, so which is UT300, which is going to be an affordable Mojo hereafter.
So this is the new Mojo UT300, which is going to be a slightly more affordable offering for the Mojo. The Mojo XT, going forward the current Mojo will be called the XT300, so that's the one which is still going to be available, and this UT300 will be a more affordable offering which should get volumes for Mahindra. So this is the same beautiful 300cc DOHC engine. The XT made about 27 bhp and 30 Nm of torque. We are still yet to get the official specs for this. This misses out on the Pirelli Diablo Rosso II tyres. It gets MRF tyres, slightly more affordable option. Doesn't get the upside down forks, get the regular telescopic forks, which are very good in my opinion, and they also make the bike feel a little lighter in the front. It still has the liquid cooled engine, 21 litre tank, which is the biggest tank in segment, and now it also has a reserve on and off switch since this is a carburetor, and it has a single exhaust now instead of the dual exhaust. A wider pillion seat. Rider as well as pillion seat is wider, and we have a better design for the side stand now since the other exhaust is not here. Slightly more taller, and this bike is going to be available in two color options. This is the red one. There will also be a blue color coming. In my opinion, this will be a better city bike because it felt a lot more lighter in the front. It felt, very maneuverable in city traffic. And yeah, that's about it. The pricing is yet to be out. We've still not received the official pricing.
You are saying that the new UT300 is going to be in a little bit affordable range when compared to which this is XT model. And this is UT300.
Yes.
So XT model will still continue selling in Mojo showrooms,
Right.
and that's going to be the premium model of Mahindra Mojo. So this is going to be the second version which is available in Mojo, which will be an affordable product. Few more changes, like there is telescopic as he said, and one more thing, visually you could see there is no DRLs here. And it's a single exhaust as he said, and I'll show you the carburetor on off switch. Here it is. Now with a wider and comfortable seat for the pillion, which would give you better comfort.
The accessories in respect to touring are still going to be the same for the UT300. We'll still have the front guard here. We will have the fog lamps, fog lamp mount here. The saddle carrier and pannier mount will be the same, and we can add the saddle pack, the magnetic tank bag, the mobile phone holder, a lot more apart from the official Mojo accessories. So you can still convert this into a touring edition.
Okay, so being affordable range, but still you will have all the options to add those accessories and utilize it to the fullest extent.